This is a Samsung Chromebook 4. I'm not a computer technician, so watch a couple other videos if you're not comfortable with what I'm doing. So I did a little research online. I had a flashing, blinking light on here. I'm not even sure that I need a battery. On the Samsung Chromebook 4, there's 4 feet right here, right? Once you pry these 4 feet off with something, they're just rubber feet. You pull them off, you get access to these 4 screws. Just so you know, I'm using this Strabito toolkit. It's like 142 pieces altogether, and it was like 30 bucks. I'll put a link below just so you can check it out if you want. So I got the little small Phillips head screw. I'm going to remove these 4 screws that were under the rubber feet. Once you get these 4 screws taken out, you're going to have to pry open the bottom of this. You're going to want to start on the corner and just kind of very slowly work your way around the whole thing. I already had this half off. And this is the battery that I'm replacing. Right here, we're going to pull these 2 screws out. This magnetic screwdriver is pretty awesome for this. So I'm going to take the tweezers, and I'm going to pull this piece out and set it on there exactly the way it's going back on so I don't forget. Next move is we're going to take something like this. We're going to pry this guy up very carefully. And that's the battery connection. I saw somebody else say you should tape the bottom of this, which I guess makes sense because it's a battery. So now we're going to go around this unit and remove 1, 2, and screw number 6. All right, this should do it. Let's see what happens. This should just lift out of here. Yep, there we go. I'm going to replace the battery with this one, ZTHY Tech. I'm guessing they're all made in the same place. I don't know. They actually gave you this whole little kit to do it. This is actually really nice. Look at that, all that stuff. And let's take a look at this battery. That looks bent to me already when it came out of here, so hopefully that's okay. Appears to be the same exact battery, and I checked the specs before I bought it to make sure that it would work with my Samsung Chromebook 4. Let's give it a shot. Last one. And this should just snap on here. Yeah, that should be it. All right, I think I'm going to plug it in and see if it works. The big test. It worked. It was my battery. All right, so I had a flashing red light when I was trying to charge it. It would not charge for nothing. There it is. Bam. That was it. It was the battery. Now I have my Chromebook back. Battery came at 50% charge, looks like. Let's make sure this thing will charge up. No more flashing red light. I have a solid red light, which means the battery is in need of charge. Problem solved. All right, now that we know it works, I'm going to put this piece back on exactly how I found it. And there's a little slot this thing slides over right here. That's it. We're done. I brought my Chromebook back to life with this ZTHY Tech battery. I'll put a link below for this. Pretty sweet.